This weekend, in our ground beef series, we have another great recipe combo. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Today, we are making a ground beef stir fry, which we are serving with coconut jasmine rice. For these recipes, you will find the list of ingredients along with the links to where I got mine in the description box below. So, let's get cooking. This ground beef stir fry is easy and very tasty. The beef is full of protein and the various colored veggies make this a balanced dish. The herbs and spices I used for this recipe of ground beef stir fry make the dish stand out in its fragrance and flavors. You will definitely love this one. The texture has to be a little sticky and not flowy. It goes better with the stir fry this way. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through two easy and very tasty recipes using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Find us on Facebook at J&JS Food Basket to stay updated on the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&J's Food Basket.